gonna say the only two? So hey y'all, good morning. We are headed to the final walkthrough at our new home. We are so excited. I can't even really describe how I feel. How do you feel, baby?
Feel good. Great.
Feel good? Yeah, so we're super excited and ready to see how the house has come together, how everything is looking. And then right after our final walkthrough, we're heading to closing. So yeah, I will check back in with y'all once we make it there. We have a gift. Let's see. You're gonna say the only two?
Yeah.
I love this.
And you know what? You probably, I don't know where y'all gonna put it, like an entryway.
I don't know. Somewhere good. I love it.
But that's one.
Oh, I love that. So sweet.
Yeah. Thank you, Andrea.
That is so sweet. My favorite realtor in the world, Andrea Green. Go ahead, follow her on Instagram. I'm gonna tag all her information, y'all, so make sure you follow her. It's closing day.
Yes.
We made it to closing.
Closing day.
Wonderful Sabrina, our seller agent. Then our wonderful agent, Andrea Green. All her information will be down below.
Slide that one back my way then. And this next form says you don't mind me talking about your non-public personal information here today. Not that I really know any of the good stuff. But notice the way your names are set up. That's the way they're going to want you to sign anything. Sorry.
Okay.
They've nailed you with everything. Pens on the table there if you need one.
Okay. In order.
Closing disclosure. You start it here. This is the closing disclosure that you should have received a copy of already from the lender. Yes. Questions, issues, anything to address there? That's the good part about the disclosure laws. They get all the numbers out ahead of time, or should anyway.
Number drop a little.
You know what I don't see
The
on
final
here,
number
but,
dropped a little. Payment
went
went down some. Went down
That's
some.
good.
warranty, that one warranty.
What, you talking about the total? Is it?
No, our monthly payment
Oh.
went down.
Oh, yeah, I seen that. I seen that when she sent it in.
9108.
Okay, yeah, I thought I saw it on the other one.
That's a hard one to find it on.
Yeah,
It's in
we
there
saw stuff.
somewhere.
Okay. Everything we seen.
Good, did the number go
Do
down?
we need to sign our mortgage payment? Yeah, went down a little
good.
bit.
Hey.
Like I think like $80.
You'll take that, right? You'll take that.
We'll take it. Do we need to sign
We'll
anything
give
on
it
here?
back and I'll raise it back up.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Wait, there wasn't anything we needed to sign on this one, was
There
there?
should be.
Oh, yes, right here.
There should be a signature page and ask for signature and
Oh,
date. Today is the 10th.
Remember, you gotta put your whole middle name.
That's really throwing people to have to sign with a middle name. I don't think I have ever signed with my middle name to anything. Oh, y'all doing great. This is what I call a parallel disbursement schedule. It tracks through those same numbers that you saw on your closing disclosure and comes back to that very same bottom line number, the 29,454.
Okay.
57, same number, it's just a different format. If you run into any utility companies, so they're asking for proof of ownership, this is what they want to see a copy of. That's
Okay.
the one right here.
And the utilities. And emergency, but we'll talk about that after.
Everybody wants one of these, so we just get copy after copy after copy. Same.
There's two. Wait, no, you're welcome. Look at all this stuff. All right.
Thank you.
Slide that one your way too, so.
It's like weird. Middle name kind of messing me up.
Although they're gonna be like, her signature look a little different each time. I'm trying to keep them similar, but
They tend to deteriorate as we go through the stack here. That's for real. Don't think I'm kidding about that. In your package of copies, you'll find copies of these to use as temporary payment statements, just in case you don't hear from anybody by April 1st. I don't think.
you know about all the gifts.
You got it going on, girl.
Oh, and it's heavy.
She
I got it
does.
going on.
No, she does. You are just the epitome of a professional. Your class.
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
really. And this is always.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna move the chair.
Yeah. I might get one with my phone too,
Okay.
and then I'll get one.
Andrea, I'm gonna get them from you. Okay. Tell me, you know you have to teach me. You know how to do it. What do we do?
Down some. Down.
Should I do fortune?
Let's move this
That
key
be
out the
pretty?
way.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, look this way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and get yours. You want to get it? I got it.
So
Because I want to make sure you have your picture, because you know, it be taking me.
Okay, look at me real quick.
yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. Look at that. Look at
One,
that.
Oh, where's the real? Okay, we're gonna do her first.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right.
These are orange, y'all. These are 11.
Alright.
Yeah, orange. Okay. Okay.
Now you get it. You go on and get in there.
Okay. So how we gonna do it? We gonna hold the green key?
I gotta have my new. Look, you are my
Yeah,
new favorite co-op. Favorite.
Okay, you gonna go over there first.
You go. You go.
Okay.
first.
All right, y'all come over here first. Let's say some happy.
You notice that's another builder's.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. No, I didn't notice that.
Happy. Can I get some words? Happy. I love it.
I've never even heard of that.
Okay.
Let me get
Build
one,
out toward that.
and then I'll get one. I want to add it. Can we add me in there?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And then I'll take it
Thank
add me.
you.
Okay. You take add me. How about that?
Oh yes.
So there we go.
ma'am.
Y'all gonna come on this. We'll come around. Which way you wanna come? We'll get
Y'all, does my
Yes.
hair?
Yeah,
I know
y'all
my
get
hair
to
looks so.
No, it looks beautiful.
Okay. Tell me when you got something on. Come.
Oh, sorry. Now you can't update my Apple Watch.
Alrighty. Happy y'all. Happy. You gonna look at them and see real quick.
Hey.
Oh, I need to get them on your kid. Let me get them on.
So what you do, come on back, Sabrina.
Yeah, come back, Sabrina.
So when you come back, you want to bring it back like here. You see how the light is right here?
Okay.
So you're going to come back like here.
Right here?
Here? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
She got me in position. All right, get ready. Happy. You want to move, Andrew? Come up. Stay right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm in place. I'm doing them.
Okay.
You do a little something.
Okay.
Let's do one more. Let's do it with this one.
Yeah.
So we have, come
Yeah,
on, Sabrina.
y'all got enough of me.
Okay.
You got it?
But Sabrina like me.
This is
She
the
picky.
star.
I'm picky too, so I understand.
Straight here's in there. 37.
Okay. Can I just go ahead and sign?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. Still want me in the same position, Andrea? Okay, Andrea got me
One,
working
two,
like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Looking good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Y'all are looking good.
All right, I gotta get over there now.
I'm not used to
I got-
Oh, you gotta get one with
Yeah.
you.
Get over there.
Yes.
You take with us?
Yes.
Yeah.
So-
With this phone, y'all?
Okay, we're going to do me and Alicia.
You want me to keep this or?
Yeah.
Down. Keep
Yeah.
it.
Oh,
Well, y'all want to use the key, whatever one y'all want to
You can
use.
do the key.
The key? Okay.
The key probably gonna be the, since it can see more in the photo.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, okay, that match y'all green. Okay, I'm going to get y'all with Alicia. Come on.
And then I'll put you in there too.
Okay.
You
Just
tell
like
me
that.
right where.
Right here.
Right here.
Come on.
Right here.
Get the lighting. Right there. Come on in.
Like,
Okay, now you get behind her.
Yep. There we go. There we go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thank you.
Congratulations to y'all.
Yeah.
Andrew, you gotta send me that one you got. That one you doing you had in the
Anytime.
house.
This is not the end of the day.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Oh, that's nuts, Millie.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Then 21, can you do something for me? 21. Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never seen a die. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing. Them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the addy. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ops be posting guns and only use they feet? Hey, like an athlete, I got
All you hoes, all of you hoes, need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm
So y'all, we are in Best Buy, and I think I really love the bespoke. However, I just want to do, I think, regular stainless steel. I'm not really crazy about all the crazy colors, but I'm pretty sure that's the style we want. And I think we do want counter depth. So we're gonna try to see if we can get someone to help us out with it.